Only he who can see the invisible can do the impossible. A school gives such a platform to both the teachers and the students to come together to weave surprises in their everlasting onward journey. Hence, it is rightly said that school is a building which has four walls with tomorrow inside. And of course, we all know that the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. A dream doesn't become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. Over the years, the Shikshayan has produced a number of excellent students in academics who have taken the reputation of the school to new heights. And what's the better way to appreciate and congratulate them than awarding them certificates of appreciation? Keeping this in mind, the annual prize distribution day is organized every year to reward these achievers. This year, amid the new normal scenario, it was decided to be virtual like the previous year so that we can connect to all our proud parents in the safest way possible. The new normal has taught us that be it not on the school ground, but the Guru and the Shishya can still join hands and still weave their dreams. Under the able chairmanship of Mr. Mukul Dagar and the copious guidance of Principal Ma'am Ms. Geeta Dagar and Vice Principal Ma'am Ms. Preeti Dagar, we were able to win over the tumultuous situation that has caused havoc in the world. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I, Ms. Pornali Das, welcome all of you to Elan 2021, the annual award ceremony. To begin with, let's invoke Ma Saraswati by lighting the lamp of wisdom and excellence. I invite Principal Ma'am on stage to do the honors. Thank you, ma'am. Vandana means praising or to surrender. Ganesh Vandana means praising Lord Ganesha or surrendering to him. To have an auspicious beginning of today's award ceremony, let's all pray to Lord Ganesha and seek his blessings.
जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति हो श्री मंगल मूर्ति, दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति। जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति हो श्री मंगल मूर्ति, दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति। जय देव जय देव। सिंदूर लाल चढ़ायो अपने ही मन का, सुंदर लाल विराज सुत गौरी शिव का। हाथ में है गुड़ लड्डू प्रभु गजानन के, महिमा कहूँ तो कैसे झुकाऊं सिर पद में। जय देव जय देव। गणेशा तेरा रूप निराला, कोटि सूर्य का है तुझ में उजाला। लंबोदर पीतांबर तेरा क्या कहना, सरल सुंड वक्र तुंड त्रिनयना। जय देव जय देव। सिंदूर रंजित हर रंग सुंदर, मोतियन का माला चमके गले पर। हर गुण संपन्न हो गौरी नंदन, तुझको भाए कुमकुम केसर चंदन। जय देव जय देव जय देव।
program, we have the first set of awards for the day. Teachers and schools have reformed themselves in 21st century. We have now assumed over the role of educator, where we tickle the imagination of our children so that they can grasp faster, explore wider, experience, experiment and find their own path of discovery. General proficiency, this award symbolizes extraordinary academic performance. It is presented to a student who has secured the best grades throughout the academic session. It is indeed an award of repute, as it can be achieved through sheer hard work, dedication, discipline and eagerness. So let's announce the names of students who have secured the first 3 positions in the general proficiency category. I begin with calling out the stars of preparatory class. The position of GP1 is secured by Pakhi Singh. Pakhi from prep class is an enthusiastic learner who seems to enjoy school and committed to doing her best. The position of GP2 is secured by Hina Saini. She shows initiative and looks for new ways to get involved. She is a good dancer. Priyanshi Dhiman occupies the 3rd position from prep class. She follows classroom rules and always completes her task timely. From grade 1 Daisy, the position of GP1 has gone to Arav Avasthi. Arav is a happy and delightful child and carries a smile throughout the class. He is an active learner and asks for clarification when needed. The position of GP2 has gone to Ruhani. Ruhani is a conscientious and hardworking student. She displays self-discipline and is regular and punctual. Viren Bhatt occupies the 3rd position from grade 1 Daisy. He has a well-developed vocabulary and expresses ideas clearly using the correct words. He respects teachers and peers. From grade 1 Tulip, we have Aradhya Vardhan occupying the 1st position. She is a conscientious, hardworking student, displays self-discipline who readily grasps new concepts and ideas. The position of GP2 is secured by Kia Kundu. She has an impressive understanding and depth of knowledge about her interests and seeks additional information independently about classroom topics that pique interest. Vansh Sharma occupies the 3rd position from grade 1 Tulip. Vansh is an ebullient child. He transits with ease between classroom activities without distraction. He is honest and shows respect for teachers and peers. From grade 2 China Rose, the position of GP1 has gone to Raghuveer Gupta. Raghuveer is a perfectionist. He does not stop until he has produced excellent results. The position of GP2 has gone to Suryanshi Agarwal. She is an enthusiastic learner who seems to enjoy school and exhibits a positive outlook and attitude in the classroom. Naman occupies the 3rd position from grade 2 China Rose. He is a kind and helpful boy to everyone in the classroom. He sets an example of excellence in behavior and cooperation. From grade 2 Gulmohar, we have Avni Gaur occupying the 1st position. Avni is a humble and responsible child who takes initiative and looks forward to new ways to get involved. The position of GP2 is secured by Pankhuri Anand. She has been consistent, has exceeded expectations and created a mark for herself. It has been a pleasure teaching her. Puneet Sharma occupies the 3rd position from grade 2 Gulmohar. He is courteous and shows good manners in the classroom and is thoughtful in interaction with others. From grade 3 Einstein, the position of GP1 has gone to Tejasvi. Tejasvi has shown outstanding performance by scoring highest marks in all subjects. She has excelled herself by continuous and constructive efforts. The position of GP2 has gone to Tanvi. Tanvi is a gifted performer. She has scored the highest marks in all subjects. Dushyant occupies the third position from grade 3 Einstein. Dushyant has set an example of excellence in academic attainment. He thinks creatively and constructively, evaluates self to learn. He has exceeded expectations with quality of his work. From grade 3 Newton, we have Saksham Dangi occupying the first position. Saksham has proved himself as a model student of the class. He has shown praiseworthy performance by scoring excellent marks in all subjects. The position of GP2 is secured by Tejas. Tejas is a benevolent student of the class. He is estimable and academic attainment is admirable. Ashika Kataria occupies the third position from grade 3 Newton. Ashika is incredibly self-disciplined student. She always has an out-of-box approach. From grade 4 Aryabhatta, the position of GP1 has gone to Anshika Yadav. Anshika has strived to reach her full potential and is committed to doing her best. She conducts herself with maturity. The position of GP2 has gone to Virat Dhillon. Virat has incredible understanding and comprehensive skills. He always is an enthusiastic learner who has a vibrant imagination. Vrishti occupies the third position from grade 4 Aryabhatta. Vrishti is an extremely multi-talented student who has a well-developed vocabulary and a vibrant imagination. She proves to be a role model of excellence in behavior. From grade 4 Brahmagupta, we have Gauri Tyagi occupying the first position. She is an extremely motivated student who always sets own individual goal and follows a plan and process for completing work and tasks. The position of GP2 is secured by Eshu Tyagi. Eshu Tyagi identifies learning opportunities, choices and strategies to meet personal needs and achieve goals. He always independently monitors, assesses and revises plans to complete tasks and meet goals. Harshi Janghu occupies the third position from grade 4 Brahmagupta. Harshi Janghu demonstrates the capacity for innovation and a willingness to take risks. From grade 4 Ramanujan, the position of GP1 has gone to Priyanshi Agarwal. Priyanshi Agarwal often independently monitors, assesses and revises plans to complete tasks and meet goals. She always demonstrates curiosity and interests in learning. The position of GP2 has gone to Anya Jaiswal. Anya has the capability to grasp new ideas presented in class. She also appears to be inquisitive, often asking questions about things that interest her. Harish Janghu occupies the third position from grade 4 Ramanujan. Harish Janghu has shown a remarkable interest in the listening and reading skills. He has been a very rewarding student to teach and has been quick to grasp new material and apply it correctly. From grade 5 Aristotle, the position of GP1 has gone to Himani Alahat. Himani has consistently been a conscientious and self-motivated student. The position of GP2 has gone to Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi is an exceptionally organized student. She has shown special strength in the areas of creativity, stage exposure and communication skills. Manay Dogra occupies the third position from grade 5 Aristotle. Manay is an enthusiastic learner who is thoughtful, insightful and thorough in written and verbal communication and has a talent of expressing his ideas very clearly. From grade 5 Edison, we have Vanshika occupying the first position. Vanshika has been an enthusiastic member of the class and shows willingness to learn. She has done a great job facing and overcoming big challenges this year. The position of GP2 is secured by Yashvi. Yashvi has incredible self-discipline and has an impressive outstanding and depth of knowledge about her interests. Yuvraj Gulia occupies the third position from grade 5 Edison. Yuvraj Gulia is a very able student with a natural aptitude for language. He has an outstanding independent work habit. From grade 6 section A, the position of GP1 has gone to Anshika. Anshika's enthusiasm and interest are assets to our class. She always tries to do her best in all curricular and co-curricular activities. The position of GP2 has gone to Tanishq. Tanishq possesses a good organization of thoughts. He shows keen interest and participates well in school experiences. Tanvi occupies the third position from grade 6 section A. Tanvi's delightful personality is an asset to her class. She tries hard to do her best in all the areas including the stage exposure and work management. From grade 6 section B, we have Ashika occupying the first position. Ashika accepts responsibility well and takes pride in her work. Her pleasant personality and cooperative attitude attracts all. The position of GP2 is secured by Yoshita. Yoshita is a very enthusiastic student of our class. Her achievement in all the academic areas is really remarkable and praiseworthy. Vijay occupies the third position from grade 6 section B. Vijay is always eager to try new things. He concentrates on his work and has the potential to work in a praiseworthy way. From grade 7 section A, the position of GP1 has gone to Angel. Angel is an exceptionally mature student. She possesses an extraordinary confidence and leadership quality. The position of GP2 has gone to Anshika Tyagi. Anshika has incredible self-discipline and she is exceptionally organized student of the class. She has a vibrant imagination and excels in creative writing. Khushi Yadav occupies the third position from grade 7 section A. She concentrates in her work and has the potential to work in a praiseworthy way. From grade 7 section B, we have Ansh Tyagi occupying the first position. He possesses an extraordinary capability of comprehending concept. He always remains focused on his academics and shows sincere endeavors to reach the required standard of excellence. The position of GP2 is secured by Prashant Nasir. Prashant Nasir has shown consistent performance in overall academics. He is extremely motivated and matured nicely both academically and socially. Kushal Rana occupies the third position from grade 7 section B. Kushal has shown a pleasing standard of work in his overall academics. He has a positive attitude to all aspects. From grade 7 section C, we have Akshat Kumar occupying the first position. Akshat consistently demonstrates behavior that sets the standard for his classmates. He shows a genuine interest in all areas of the curriculum. The position of GP2 is secured by Tania. Tania possesses an exceptional sincerity and punctuality. She always works in an exceptional pace to achieve the required standards in academics. From grade 8 section A, the position of GP1 has gone to Abhika Tyagi. She is a settled girl and the most perfect student of the class. She has shown tremendous capabilities in problem solving and work execution. The position of GP2 has gone to Agrima Bharadwaj. Agrima possesses a very self-directed personality. She has strengthened her communication and conversation skills. Jia Dhilo occupies the third position from grade 8 section A. Jia is a very enthusiastic student. She possesses a positive attitude in all the aspects of school life. From grade 8 section B, we have Veronica occupying the first position. She shows a good interest to undergo challenges and is eager to solve problems. She is an aspiration to other students in the class. The position of GP2 is secured by Khushi Tyagi. Khushi is an enthusiastic student who has great potential and works towards achieving it. She is a very dependable student. Varsha Yadav occupies the third position from grade 8 section B. Varsha actively participates in various activities and perseveres and makes an effort when responding to challenges. She assesses and relies on her own strength, needs and interests. From grade 9 section A, the position of GP1 has gone to Rishika. She has shown outstanding performance by scoring scintillating marks in all subjects. She makes smart decisions, admits mistakes and listens to opportunities to improve. The position of GP2 has gone to Ananya Chauhan. Ananya has exhibited an impressive understanding and depth of knowledge. She manages her emotions maturely and responds to feedback appropriately. Radhika occupies the third position from grade 9 section A. Radhika is an extremely multi-talented student who has a vibrant imagination. She proves to be a role model of excellence in behavior. From grade 9 section B, we have Dev occupying the first position. He follows directions effectively and follows through his commitments to himself and others. The position of GP2 is secured by Monish. He listens attentively and makes a solid effort to avoid distractions that could interrupt the learning process. From grade 10, the position of GP1 has gone to Tanisha Tyagi. Tanisha possesses an exceptional command in all subjects. She is an extremely motivated student who always sets own individual goal and follows a plan and process for completing work and tasks. The position of GP2 has gone to Badal Kumar. Badal has strived to reach his full potential and is committed to doing his best. Muskan occupies the third position from grade 10. Muskan is an exceptionally organized student. She has shown special strength in the areas of creativity, stage exposure and communication skills. From grade 11 Science, we have Priya occupying the first position. She listens to and follows directions precisely and attentively. The position of GP2 is secured by Chanchal. She is focused during class and contributes ideas willingly. Rahul occupies the third position from grade 11 Science. He is an enthusiastic member of the class and shows willingness to learn. From grade 11 Commerce, the position of GP1 has gone to Sneha Yadav. She is an accountable and responsible girl. She makes smart decisions, admits mistakes, and listens to opportunities to improve. The position of GP2 has gone to Aditi. She is focused during class and contributes ideas willingly. Saloni occupies the third position from grade 11 Commerce. She is interested in own learning, listens attentively, and doesn't distract herself from learning. From grade 11 Humanities, we have Sneha occupying the first position. She has excellent ability to set goals and be persistent in achieving them. The position of GP2 is secured by Sabhyata. She shows a positive attitude with classmates and works well in group. She often takes a leadership role. Sakshi occupies the third position from grade 11th Humanities. She demonstrates a willing and conscientious efforts in her daily work. From grade 12 Science, the position of GP1 has gone to Nisha Sharma. She is encouraged to demonstrate more responsible attitudes and behavior in the classroom. The position of GP2 has gone to Sai Prasanna. She shows responsible behavior, works well with the group, and shows appreciation for efforts of classroom. Sneha occupies the third position from grade 12 Science. She works independently and takes pride in work done well. From grade 12 Commerce, we have Stuti Sharma occupying the first position. She is a responsible girl who follows every direction whenever given. The position of GP2 is secured by Srishti. She is focused in class and participates in group discussions. Tannu occupies the third position from grade 12 Commerce. She takes an active role in discussions, always speaks with full confidence. From grade 12 Humanities, we have Isha Tyagi occupying the first position. Isha is very creative and recognizes different points of view and incorporates them in ideas. The position of GP2 is secured by Meenakshi. She always analyzes and evaluates information given and has shown keen interest in learning. Varsha occupies the third position from grade 12 Humanities. She always responds well to direction and applies them to work. Congratulating all the award winners with a big round of applause. To steal all your tensions and worries and to give you all the love, peace and happiness, the most adorable gopis of Lord Krishna are coming to woo the mighty Lord.
मुरी बंसी बजैया नंदलाला कन्हैया मुरी बंसी बजैया नंदलाला कन्हैया मुरी बंसी बजैया नंदलाला कन्हैया मुही मुही ऐसे नहीं छेड़ो सावरे सुन सुन मौसे नहीं खेलो दावरे जाके यशोदा से कह दूंगी रे कान्हा सो जा सदा ओ कान्हा सो जा जरा लुक छुप के तक यूं ना मोही कान्हा सो जा सदा ओ कान्हा सो जा जरा नैनों से ना छूना मोही कान्हा सो जा सदा ओ कान्हा सो जा जरा कान्हा सो जा सदा ओ कान्हा सो जा जरा सुनी जो तेरी मुरली चली रे चल दे पिया मोरे वो जुलमी गाऊं तेरे ही गीत क्यों ले मैं तेरी हो गई चढ़ गई तेरी पे तेरे मोहना क्या हुआ यूं मती मारी गई मोरी कैसे छोड़ा बैल के आगे तुझे ऐसे है ये सारा दोष मेरा कान्हा सो जा सदा ओ कान्हा सो जा जरा कान्हा सो जा सदा ओ कान्हा सो जा जरा कान्हा सो जा सदा ओ कान्हा सो जा जरा
That was a beautiful rendition of our little Radhas who were trying to put Kanha to sleep. Moving on to the next set of awards, now I'll be calling upon the name of the students who won application prize. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Application prize. This award is a symbol of repeated practice of concepts of what might look as very difficult at the onset but is achieved through extraordinary hard work and perseverance. Application prize. This award is a symbol of repeated practice of concepts of what might look as very difficult at the onset but is achieved through extraordinary hard work and perseverance. The students achieving this award can be termed as a dark horse who patiently and diligently works hard throughout the academic session to emerge as a shining star. From the preparatory class, Mania wins the application prize. She takes responsibility for her learning and shows respect for her teacher. From grade 1 Daisy, we have Drishana Singh as the shining star. She does not give up when facing a task that is difficult and always does her best. From grade 1 Tulip, we have Vaidik Vats. She is thoughtful and kind in his interaction with others, remains focused on the activity at hand. From grade 2 China Rose, we have Akshita Jangu as an emerging star. Akshita is a conscientious, hardworking student, exceeds expectations with the quality of their work. From grade 2 Gulmohar, we have Anish Kumar. He always looks for ways to be helpful in the classroom. Hardworking student, exceeds expectations with the quality of their work. She has very good communication skill. From grade 3 Einstein, we have Chahek as the shining star. She has shown a remarkable improvement by constructive efforts. She has improved by strengthening self-potential in all areas of learning and understanding. From grade 3 Newton, we have Laksh Yadav. He has improved steadily by his eagerness to improve the quality of his or her work. He has shown an encouraging desire to upgrade himself remarkably through consistent efforts. From grade 3 Stephen, we have Yashvi. She volunteers frequently and makes wonderful contribution to the class. She has shown an encouraging desire to better herself in all the areas of academics. From grade 4 Aryabhatta, we have Jivika Kaushik as the emerging star. She listens well and shares ideas frequently and shows initiative for new ways to get involved. From grade 4 Brahmagupta, we have Tanya Maan. She has shown an excellent ability to set goals and showed persistent efforts in achieving them. She has done a great job facing and overcoming big challenges this year. From grade 5 Edison, application prize goes to Vanshika. She has shown a conscientious effort to learn. She has shown considerable capability to accept the challenges and has demonstrated a consistent zeal in her improvement. To energize the felicitation ceremony today, I would like to invite our Vice Principal, Ms. Preeti Dagar, to enlighten us with few words of wisdom.
Good morning, dear parents, students, and my teachers. It's my privilege to welcome you all to the second virtual award ceremony 2020-21. It's a very special day for us as we are celebrating the achievements of our students. No achievement is small or less because success is a series of small victories. The awards to be distributed today are not just for those students, those who have performed exceptionally well in academics, but also for those students who have excelled in other co-curricular activities. Today we are here not only to celebrate the achievements of our students, but also to give regards to our morals and values, which these awardees exemplify, like discipline, compassion, and their zeal for learning. Awards are a way to encourage good behavior and inculcate competitive spirit. That is the reason why our school organizes award ceremony every year, just to motivate its students. Previous year was not easy at all. But yet we, along with our teaching staff, have left no stone unturned in ensuring that quality education is imparted to all our students on the daily basis and along with other co-curricular activities, which are very important for the holistic development of our students. So here I urge parents to encourage their children to participate in other activities equally. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all my students for giving me this opportunity to celebrate their success. Once again, I congratulate all the students, those who are going to get award and their parents as well as. Thank you so much for making this event a big success. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education. Best all-rounder, as the name suggests, this award is given to a student who has excelled in all areas of the curriculum, be it academics, co-curricular activities or sports. From the prep class, we have Anahi Joshi as the best all-rounder of the year. She has an impressive understanding and depth of knowledge about her interest. The Best All-Rounder prize goes to Anahita Dhiman of Grade 1 Daisy. Anahita has a thirst for skills and knowledge. She always challenges herself to perform tasks to the best possible standard. From Grade 1 Tulip, we have Diksha, nominated for the same prize. The perfect student that any teacher would love having in the classroom is, of course, Diksha. From Grade 2 China Rose, Yashvi Agarwal gets the Best Student of the Year award. Yashvi exhibits a positive outlook and attitude in the class. She takes pride in accepting responsibility for her learning. She follows instructions well, conducts herself with maturity. The Best Student Award goes to Vihan Kumar of Grade 2 Gulmohar. Vihan is a very diligent and committed student. He cooperates consistently with the teachers and follows classroom rules properly. The Best All-Rounder prize goes to Jivika of Grade 3 Einstein. She is one of those perfect students that any teacher would love to have in the classroom. From Grade 3 Newton, we have Ekansh Yadav, nominated for the same prize. Ekansh always exhibits a positive outlook and attitude in the class. From Grade 3 Stephen, RV Bharadwaj gets the Best Student Award. RV has the capability to accept the challenges and has demonstrated a consistent zeal in her improvement. From Grade 4, Aryabhatta, the Best All-Rounder prize goes to Brishti. Brishti is a very diligent and committed student. From Grade 4, Brahmagupta, we have Lavanya Vardhan, nominated for the same prize. She follows instructions well and conducts herself with maturity in every aspect of academics and co-curricular activities. From Grade 5 Aristotle, Manay Dogra gets the Best Student of the Year award. She has got an impressive understanding and depth of knowledge about her interest. The Best All-Rounder prize goes to Ishant Yadav of Grade 5 Edison. Ishant listens well and shares ideas frequently and shows initiative for new ways to get involved in each and every activity of the class. From Grade 6 Section A, we have Shubhi, nominated for the same prize. Her versatility is commendable. She has a flair for dramatic reading and writing, enabling her to secure the desired standard of confidence and self-esteem. From Grade C Section B, Vandana gets the Best Student of the Year award. Vandana is a sincere performer who has exceeded expectations with the quality of his work in all spheres. She always tries to reach perfection by the punctuality and sincerity of her work. The Best All-Rounder prize goes to Anupriya of Grade 7A. Anupriya is a multi-talented person. She welcomes leadership roles and presents herself confidently. From Grade 7B, we have Vanshika, nominated for the same prize. Vanshika has a well-developed sense of leadership. She has shown excellence in achieving the required standards of academic grades. From Grade 8A, Sikandar Lala gets the Best Student of the Year award. Sikandar is an excellent student. He is highly motivated and strives to give off his best at all times. The Best All-Rounder prize goes to Nivya of Grade 8B. Nivya consistently sets an example for others with her outstanding interest and behavior. From 9th A, we have Khushi Janghu, nominated for the same prize. Khushi's enthusiasm and interest are assets to our class. She always tries to do her best in all curricular and co-curricular activities. From Grade 9th B, Karthik Kaushik gets the Best Student of the Year award. Karthik manages his emotions maturely and responds to feedback appropriately. He excels at applying what he learns in the classroom to real world and real life situations. From Grade 11 Science, we have Rahul, nominated as the Best All-Rounder. From Grade 11 Commerce, we have Sneha Yadav in the same position. From Grade 11 Humanities, Savyata gets the Best Student of the Year award. From grade 12 Humanities, we have Isha Tyagi nominated as the best all-rounder. From grade 12 Commerce, we have Srishti in the same position. And finally, from grade 12 Science, the best all-rounder prize goes to Simmi Chaudhary. With this announcement, we are approaching towards the closing of today's ceremony. Hence, can I please have a big round of applause for all the winners? I would also like to address those participants who, even though have not won any of the awards, but still had strived hard throughout the year. I would also like to say it's never too late to start over and try again. I congratulate and appreciate all the position holders, participants and their parents who have put faith, hope and love together and have raised a positive person in the society. Finally, I would like to take this opportunity to place on record our hearty thanks to the management of the Shikshayan School for the perfect logistic support and guidance extended to all of us at Elan 2021. I also extend my thanks to all the teachers and admin staffs for their enormous cooperation in the organization of this online event. Well, ladies and gentlemen, an event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling weeks ago. It requires planning and a bird's eye view for details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues of the Shikshayan who know their job well and are result oriented. I cannot thank everyone enough for their involvement and their willingness to take on the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zones. Thank you and good day to everyone.